St. Croix River is one of the first in the country to be designated a National Scenic Riverway, with the headwaters located at Upper St. Croix Lake in Solon Springs, Wisconsin. The first stretch of the river is slow and shallow, passing through stands of wild rice and cranberry marshes before reaching the open waters of the St. Croix flowage. Many canoes begin their trip at Gordon Dam. We started our journey just south, past the historic Gibson Cabin. Our plan was to paddle 4 days through this rugged and remote stretch of river, ending near Danbury, Wisconsin. Coppermine Dam was built for logging purposes in the 1850s. They built it using wooden cribs on ice and filled them with rock, which then sank into place in the spring, creating a sluiceway that could be open and closed to control the flow of logs. Most of the dam has long since been carried away by the river. Turbulent flow over the remaining timbers create a formidable obstacle. Steel spikes sticking out of the timbers add to the danger. For this reason, it is usually necessary to make the short portage to the right of the dam.
Doesn't look like there's any good shoot.
Oh man, it's definitely rocky over here. Oh yeah. Good job, hon. Nice. You made it. Okay, ready? There we go. You got it.
Hey,
That was insane.
you get hung up at all?
Yeah, a little bit, but we kept going, man. Stop.
It ain't done yet.
It ain't done yet. It ain't done yet.
You're gonna have to go out this way.
They made it over.
Big rock right here.
You got too much weight in this sucker.
Yeah.
eating.
Yep.
Here you're gonna have to get out. Who's beached? Day 2 of our trip down the river here, 4-day trip on the St. Croix. I didn't feel like getting much footage last night or yesterday. I kind of regret it because there was tons of wildlife. Show you around our campsite. This is a nice spot, group spot, just past Copper Dam. Plenty of tent spots at this site. Carrie and Don got their tent there. Fire pit, there's even a picnic table at this one. And here's Missy set up underneath some nice blue spruce trees. Doing a little exploring. Nice little trail leading away from the campsite. How cool is this? It's an old fireplace. Wow. Homestead here, you can see the foundation. Okay, we're off. Here's a good one. Good campsite. Ready? Yeah. Pinball machine.
Yeah, really. That was fun, huh?
We're gonna have a little snack here and then back on the river. We don't have far to go. We're gonna stay at the next campsite, which is Canoe. We'll camp there overnight, and tomorrow I think we'll probably do about 11 miles. Supposed to be another hot one in the 90s with a 30-mile-an-hour headwind, so we'll see how that goes. It'll cool us off if nothing else, but slow us down at the same time. We got this little stream inlet here. It's all spring fed, so I'm going to top off on water while I'm here. always the ones you don't see.
Good morning, day 3. Just wanted to show you around camp here real quick before we head out. Got a nice little stream over here. This is Rocky Brook. Check out that tree, Old Faithful, she's still hanging on. I actually did a hammock hang here off this tree a few years back. I don't know if I'd trust it now with the big storm we had back in 2011. They recorded straight line winds at 110 miles per hour. Really tore the place up. But it's recovered nicely. And I just wanted to show you around real quick before we head out.
Come on, in rhythm here. There you go. We're on the show here. The best one.
Alright, well, we're all set up for our last night here. Tomorrow we'd like to go to Danbury, but there is a pretty significant chance of storms, severe storms. So we'll check that out in the morning. And Carrie's down by the river fishing. We'll go see how he's doing. Stick fish.